What is stacking underinsured motorist coverage? Have you ever wondered how you can boost your auto insurance protection when dealing with underinsured motorists? Stacking underinsured motorist coverage is a great option that allows you to combine coverage limits from multiple vehicles or policies. This means you can increase the total amount of protection available if you are injured by a driver who does not have enough insurance to cover your damages. Let's break it down. Underinsured motorist coverage helps pay for injuries and damages when the at-fault driver's insurance is not enough to cover the full costs of an accident. Stacking comes into play in two main ways. First, there is horizontal stacking. This occurs when you have multiple vehicles insured under one auto insurance policy. Each vehicle has its own underinsured motorist coverage limit. By choosing to stack, you can multiply those coverage limits by the number of vehicles you have. For example, if you have two vehicles, each with $15,000 in underinsured motorist coverage, stacking would give you a total of $30,000 in coverage for an accident involving an underinsured driver. Next, we have vertical stacking. This happens when you are covered under more than one auto insurance policy. For instance, if you have your own policy with $35,000 in underinsured motorist coverage and your spouse has a policy with $25,000, stacking these policies could provide you with a total of $60,000 in coverage. Stacking is beneficial because it increases the financial protection available when an accident involves a driver whose insurance coverage is below the damages or injuries you sustained. Without stacking, you would only have access to the underinsured motorist coverage limit of the specific vehicle or policy involved in the accident. However, it is important to know that stacking typically applies only to bodily injury underinsured motorist coverage, not to other types of coverage. Additionally, opting for stacking usually results in higher insurance premiums due to the increased potential payout. From a car insurance perspective, stacking underinsured motorist coverage can be a smart way to enhance your protection against drivers with insufficient insurance. This is especially true in states or situations where underinsured motorist claims are common. Keep in mind that the availability and rules around stacking can vary by state and insurance provider. So, it is wise to check your specific policy details and state regulations to understand your options fully.